Logos Journalism. In its entirety, this is the logo of the 2025 RSPC. This logo is not just any work of art. It embodies several elements. Each one has its important meaning, representing the ideals and principles that both the city government of Borongan and DepEd Borongan City Division pursue as they collectively play as host to this very significant undertaking in our city this year. Let us dichotomize and highlight each one of the essential elements until the fullness of the emblem and the idea that it aspires to convey is reached. For its background, and as a first layer, we have this tablet of gold. This signifies Borongan City's wide acclaim for being the city of the golden sunrise. Being a city so blessed as to be among the very first places in the archipelago to be kissed by its rays with the golden sunrises in the east, heralding the promise of a new golden day. Adding on as the next layer are these 7 rays of green and gold. The other 6 of which, 3 at each side, represent the 6 provinces of Eastern Visayas region. The 7th and the centermost ray represents the mother agency, the Department of Education, Region 8, which serves as the vanguard of educational excellence in these islands. Collectively, as one regional family, and with an invigorated resolve, it makes it its prime mission to run a race towards excellence on a daily basis. Hence, the colors green and gold. Adding up next layer are these 2 elements. First at the left, a sun-like figure of brown and blue, with 13 rays representing the 13th spruce division of the region. The wriggling motion of which signified the dynamic and proactive approach by which the region pursues to attain educational excellence under the leadership of DepEd Region 8. Hence, the regional logo at the right, both of these figures are going to find their way into the middle of the evolving RSPC logo, which manifests the unifying, empowering, and nurturing role of DepEd Region 8 as the anchor of all educational endeavor in the region. For its next layer, we have first the picture of waves over a blue body of water, symbolizing the challenges and the depth of the resolve by which DepEd Region 8 as a family faces and pursues the attainment of its institutional vision and mission. At the right stands upright a pen, conveying that it's through the power of the pen that all these journalistic ideals and aspirations that we all put to play would be communicated, consummated, and celebrated throughout this week-long conference. The pen pointing skyward tells about the heights that we are capable of reaching, and the envelope of excellence and success is boundless. If only we put all our God-given gifts and faculties to wisest investment. Wrapping up, our logo is the title of the activity being conducted, the RSPC, and the year being 2025. 4 years to come, it shall be remembered that this undertaking this year is a first for both the city government of Borongan and DepEd Borongan City Division. First times are always a big challenge, but But for us in Borongan City, first times are always an opportunity to bring out the best in Boronganons as a beautiful place of a beautiful people. The city of the golden sunrise. And so in closing, ladies and gentlemen, it really is a distinct honor for me to present to you once again the official logo